What is up, guys? Welcome back to Vlogtowski. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. First of all, do you know how long it's been since I've picked up a vlog camera and like talked straight to the camera? It's been like a month. I basically took a trip to Canada. Guys, let me just vent for a second. And then it just piled up on me and drove me insane. Anyway, it has been a month of uploading videos that I was basically kind of backed up on, but now that I'm kind of up to date, a little bit up to date, I don't know, now that I'm back on track with my Canada vlogs at least, I'm just gonna start vlogging. And I don't know, I felt like I was like itching to vlog and just be like a normal human being because I was just focusing too much on like cinematic stuff and it was driving me crazy. But yeah, so I'm back in my house. Next week is Coachella. I'm super excited for that. I have no outfits prepared and I don't have any tickets and I don't have a place to stay. So, you know, we're figuring that out this week, but it's Sunday. So today's a day of rest. So today I'm actually heading over to a charity event hosted by Karmagawa, who is the charity that I was in the Great Barrier Reef with. Today we're going to be packing over 1,000 meals and cooking them to give them to people that are living with cancer, AIDS, and other serious illnesses. So I'm doing that today. I did my hair in 2 buns. And I just curled the front a little bit because it was kind of frizzy. Yesterday, I was at the beach all day with my friends Alex and Calvin. Oh my God, that just reminds me. Oh my God, saying Calvin reminds me that I haven't even edited my Joshua Tree vlog yet. And now I'm stressed again. Anyway, we went to the beach. We had a great day. Yesterday was like one of those days where like it was just a great day, you know, like we got so much done. I visited my friend's art gallery. We went to Malibu Farms. We went surfing. We went and had a beach sunset day. We played football on the beach. I shot with Riley. So yesterday was just like a jam-packed day. But yeah, so today I'm gonna take you through what I do today. And starting off, we're gonna get some coffee because that's rule number 1. And then we're gonna go to this charity event. We're gonna do the dang thing. And then I'm probably gonna come home and wash my hair. You know what time it is. Oh God, that means I have to clean out my old coffee cup. Sick. There's no ice in it anymore. Ew. That'll do. Yep, that'll do. Today my cleaners are coming and my house is so messy. It is so gross. Like, look at this sick resurrected bear. Like, my mom tried to sew it together because it was Hanalei's favorite stuffed animal, but I think it's time for the bear to go. I'm gonna focus my camera on the bear. There we go. Shut up! Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. I'm gonna be late. Okay.
What's up?
I think we're done.
Done, I got beet juice on me. Look at this beet juice. Look at the wall. Film the wall.
It's like a murder scene.
Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup with an able on the side.
Okay, so I basically just got home from the volunteer center that we were at. I have my Ava sign on. And basically I'm just like really stressing about my outfits for this weekend. I went online and I looked at a ton of clothes to try to like see if I wanted to buy anything and see if I thought anything was cute. And nothing really like, I don't know, nothing made me feel like me. Everything just looked kind of basic, honestly. So I've crafted a plan. Okay, guys. I don't know, I saw something that inspired me to see what I had in my closet that was white and that could be painted on. And I figured the only way to be unique and be me at Coachella is to create my own outfits. So basically, I know I have this pair of pants that I got from Brandy Melville. They are made of this like twill denim fabric. And it just got me thinking, what else I have in my closet that's made of that like denim, easy to paint on fabric? Or what else can I go out at like a thrift store or a vintage place and find to paint on it? So yeah, I'm really hungry. Basically, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash my hair because it needs, Jesus Christ, to resurrect it. I'm gonna take it out of the buns. It's a little crusty crust. And then I think we're gonna go thrift shopping. That's the update. I look crazy. I have something to show you. Oh my god. Ew. Ew, I have sand in my hair. Okay, so now that there's sand literally falling on my bed from my hair. Okay, so this just came in the mail. It's from a brand called Function of Beauty. They hit me up and they saw that I had curly hair and they really loved it, so they wanted to send me some hair care products specifically made for my hair, and I want to show you guys because they also gave me a discount code for you guys. Function of Beauty sends you shampoo and conditioner basically based on your hair type and also what your hair goals are. And I had a lot of them. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free. There's no parabens, GMOs, anything bad or toxic that should definitely not be in your hair, which is cool because, you know, I'm all about that vegan life. If you go on their website, you just fill out the quiz that I took as well. It takes like 2 minutes. You put in your preferences, even down to what you want your shampoo and conditioner to say. Mine says function of schnitzel. And I picked my fragrance. I picked eucalyptus because every time I go to the spa and they like have eucalyptus hair shampoo, it makes me feel so good. Wait, that's so cute. They even give you a little travel. That's really cute. Guys, look at how cute this freaking... If you guys want to try this as well, I have a discount link for you in the description box below. 20% off of your first order. It's currently available in the US, Canada, Great Britain, and Australia. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hair because I'm so excited about the eucalyptus. And just everything in general, but mostly the eucalyptus. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and this is how my hair looks. My hair feels so good. Oh my god. My hair smells so good and it's so shiny. Damn. Look how long my hair got too. Jesus. I feel like this stuff has like lengthening properties in it. I feel good. Okay, I'm gonna go get some work done. Hey guys, it is quite a bit later and Brendan's over.
What's up, guys?
Brendan's my new boyfriend, everybody.
I'm not gonna say anything.
That doesn't help. Yeah, you know, everyone's been paying close attention to my social media postings, and yes, Brendan is...
It's me.
It's him. It's the new bae. Yeah. Why is it so hot in my house?
It just got really
Did it
hot.
just get like so hot?
Yeah, we should go get food.
Okay, we're gonna get food, and then I'm gonna go paint some pants. I was gonna go thrift shopping today. I decided to sit in my bed and eat a Subway sandwich and cry for like 5 hours.
That wasn't my fault.
So I'm gonna go thrift shopping tomorrow, but for today, I'm just gonna enjoy my friend's company and we're gonna get some dinner. So bye! See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is another day of Vlogmas. No, I'm just kidding. It's another day of Vlogtowski. I just dropped off some film and picked up my negatives. I just dropped off film and I purchased a pack of Portra 400 for Coachella, which I feel like this isn't gonna be enough, but I feel like I'm gonna have to come back and buy some more. I basically have like an hour and a half to go thrift shopping and get food. Thrift store is 4 minutes that way. Food is like 2 minutes that way. I'm gonna be happier if I just eat some food, okay? I'm gonna go get some IHOP. You know what? Let's just get on the road. I'm gonna go get IHOP and then hopefully I can have time to go thrift shopping because I still really want to paint those pants. And I just want to paint like a dress or something at the same time. But at the end of the day, I'm not too stressed. I would have loved to go thrift shopping in this vlog and I'm gonna really try to make it happen. But you know, we're gonna try to get it all done today. Okay, life update. I think it's Friday. No, it's Thursday. It's Thursday and I'm doing my makeup in the car. 2 days ago, I went thrift shopping. I picked up 2 things that I was like kind of feeling, but not like 100% feeling. Guys, I literally checked probably 5 different thrift stores and I couldn't find anything I was super excited about. So I'm kind of bummed. I also didn't get to paint my pants because I just didn't have time, which sucks. I'm currently driving to Orange County because I have a meeting. I was just gonna drive from Palm Springs, from Orange County to Palm Springs. So basically today is just gonna be a driving day. I'm currently trying to merge over into this lane. Oh, I see a crack in the foundation. Closed. I found one, I found a crack, I'm going. Slipped right into that crack. I'm gonna drive to Orange County and not get arrested for vlogging while driving. See you in Orange County.